Hey boys and girls, this is your work for Tuesday, May 19th. And we are starting the letter Y. We've had to go kind of fast through these last letters because we spent so much time away from school reviewing instead of doing our letter of the week. So I hope you remember the letters from last week. Q says qu and J says j, like jam, jeep, jellyfish. And now we are doing Y. Y says y, like yak, or the color yellow. So the first thing I do is always the same. I pick up a pencil and write my name. And my paper says the star of the show. Y. This is uppercase Y. This is lowercase y. My first box says to trace. So I'm starting with lowercase y. I start at the dotted lines, do a little diagonal line down, frog jump to the top of the dotted lines, little big line down into the basement. Again, remember a frog jump. Little line, frog jump, down to the basement. Little line, frog jump, and go down to the basement. For uppercase Y, we do a little line down, little line down, little line down. Diagonal, frog jump, diagonal, and straight down. Diagonal, frog jump, diagonal, stop sign, straight down. Those are my Y's. This says find. Let's find our Y's. Y, 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 W, A, L, B, S, Y, Y, R, Y. This says color. This is a picture of a y-a-k, yak. And so I am going to color my yak after I write my Y's. So let me show you again. It shows you 1, you go down, frog jump back to your dotted line, and 2 all the way down to the basement. So I want you to try it on your own. Diagonal line, frog jump back up to the dotted line and down into the basement. One more together. Diagonal line, frog jump up to the dotted line and down to the basement. And remember, diagonal just means that it's a straight line, but it's not straight up and down, and it's not straight side to side. This is vertical, this is horizontal, this is diagonal. It's in the middle. And then when I do my uppercase, line down, frog jump, diagonal line down, stop sign, straight line down. It goes all the way from the top line to the bottom line. I want you to finish your row of lowercase letters, your row of uppercase letters, and color your yak. Lowercase, uppercase, yak. Pause your video and do those 3 things. I colored my yak, and I finished writing my lowercase y's and my uppercase y's. Now it's time to flip our packet over. We have a graphing page. Write your name at the top. It's good practice. Do your best. We always do our best at school, even when we're doing school at home. I hope you're doing your best for your helpers at home, your grown-ups. Okay, this says favorite holiday, and we have some coloring or questions to answer. These say Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, 4th of July, and Thanksgiving. The first question asks, which was the most popular holiday? Circle that column. So columns are the ones that go up and down, and the most popular would be the one with the most votes or the most rectangles filled in. Which one goes up the tallest, has the most votes? Yes, 4th of July. So I'm going to circle 4th of July. My next question says, which was the least popular holiday? Put an X on that column. So least popular would mean it has the smallest number of votes, or it's the shortest column. St. Patrick's Day only got one. That one's the least. It says put an X on that column. And our last job says, which holiday did 3 children choose? Well, this one isn't 3, that's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. It's Valentine's Day. And our directions say color that column red. Let me get my red out. Okay, this is kind of a dark red. It says color that column. The column is going up and down. Color it red. We're done with this page now. You just had 3 things to do. Circle the one with the most, put an X on the one with the least, and color the one that had 3 red. Flip to our last graphing page for today. Oh, I see this word up here, N-A-M-E. It says name. Write your name at the top. It's good practice. This paper says fruit graph, and here's a bowl of fruit. The directions for your grown-up at the bottom say count each type of fruit in the bowl. Graph the total for each. So let's start with bananas. How many bananas do you see in the bowl? I see 2. 1, 2. When we do graphs, we always start at the bottom closest to the picture or the words. 1 rectangle for the first banana. Am I done now? I am not, because that would show that I only had 1 banana and I had 2. So I need to color 2 rectangles. Alright, our next fruit is an apple, una manzana. How many apples are in the fruit bowl? 3, trace. So I'm going to color 3 rectangles. I always start at the bottom, closest to where the picture or the words are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next I have an orange. How many oranges are in my fruit bowl? I only see 1. So we color the 1 rectangle closest to our picture. And now my graph is finished. We have a cutting page to do, so rip it out from the back of your packet. This one says count and match for, uh-oh, we already did letter Q. Did I make a mistake? Oh man. I figured out the problem. You guys already did this page. I must have forgotten to do it in my packet. So the next page we're on is a letter Y page. It should look like this. Alphabet patterns, Y. The directions say, cut on the dotted lines, glue down the picture that completes the pattern. And this word up here at the top says, yep, you got it, name. So I'm going to pause the video. Oh, actually, I can do it right now. Just write your name at the top. And let's read our patterns together. Remember, patterns repeat like a song. Yogurt, yard, yogurt, yard. What comes next? Yes, yogurt. Yarn, yam, yarn, yam. Yo-yo, yawn, yo-yo, yawn. Good. Yoke, yoga, yoke, yoga. Good. Some of you might not know what a yam is. It's like a sweet potato. It is a kind of potato, but it tastes different than the ones that you make hash browns or french fries out of. It tastes a little bit sweeter. So I am going to cut out my 4 pictures at the bottom. I want you to pause your video and cut out your 4 pictures. I got my pictures and I have my glue stick ready. So I'm going to sing the patterns again and you tell me what comes next. Yogurt, yard, yogurt, yard. Which of these pictures? Yes, yogurt. Yarn, yam, yarn, yam. Which of these? Yes, the yarn, yeah. Do you hear the Y sound? Yeah, yogurt, yeah, yarn. Yo, yawn, yo, yawn. Yes, yo. Last one, I bet it's gonna be this. Let's double check. Yolk, yoga, yolk, yoga. The yolk of an egg is that yellow part that's in the middle. There we go. Did you notice that I made a mistake when I went to get my papers out? Even teachers make mistakes. Is it okay that I made a mistake? Are you really, really angry with me that I made a mistake? Probably not. Am I really, really mad about that I made a mistake? No. Everybody makes mistakes. And it's an opportunity to learn. I learned that I should be checking what papers we're doing before I start my video instead of just grabbing the one from the back. Okay, our next paper from the back, that's the right one, is this. Let's write our name at the top. N-A-M-E says name. It says number match puzzle. Why? The directions say, cut out the puzzle pieces, make a picture by gluing each piece to the matching fingers. We've done this before. Remember, I don't put them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 order. I have to match them number with the fingers. So I can take a guess by looking at this what it's going to be. Does it look like anything we saw on this page? I have my prediction, my guess in my head. Do you have your guess? I'm going to pause the video and cut out my puzzle pieces. Pause your video and cut out your pieces too. Pieces are all cut out, and I put them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number order. Does my picture work when I put it in order like that? Doesn't even really look like anything. Maybe a rock with the end sliced off and put over here. Let's put... How many fingers? So which number am I going to put up there? 5. Oh, got to turn my glue up. How many fingers? So which number should I pick? Yes, 1. Putting glue on. Putting it on the puzzle piece. How many fingers? Find 3. This is 3. How many fingers? Yes, 2. And our last one, the fingers, 4. This says 4. Now, are these in the right order for counting? Is this how we count? 5, 1, 3, 2, 4? But it does make a yam. Say yam. And we can write the word yam. Y. A. M. Good job. You're done for today. I'm proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow.